Churchwell, Jeremy Landers, been doing some live coverage for us out there. Let's go ahead and check on them now. Hey there, Bill, can you hear us?
Hey there, I'm not sure if you can hear me. I'm going to step outside here and you can see how difficult of a time that I'm having in this wind, and I'm doing a little experiment where I can see the wind gust out here. 47 is the reading I got. Let's see here, 25, 26, 40. So you can see that we're getting a different range of the wind gust out here. But I have to tell you, the winds have picked up since we've been out here this afternoon. And of course, we are seeing that rain that is hitting us from the side. And the big concern, of course, is the flooding and the storm surge, which they're expecting about 3 to 5 feet of storm surge out here as well. Now, we did see some minor beach flooding already, but we also have seen a lot of people still driving by and just kind of looking and seeing what's going on out here. But you can see that palm tree just whipping in the wind. Wow, that was a strong one. And then if you take a look over here, we actually saw a street sign that blew down. If you take a look right over there, you can see that street sign that says park. Well, this storm is not parking. It is in full speed right now, I tell you. And I'm having a hard time, so I'm going to go ahead and send it back to you guys.
All right, Bill and Jeremy, thank you so much. And